All right, guys, check this out. This sedan just rolled in, and let's just say it's seen better days.
All right, moment of truth. Let's see what secrets you're hiding. Oh, wow. That's a new level of sludge.
All right, let's see what comes out of here. If it's still liquid, I'll be impressed. Oh, nope, that's more like syrup than oil.
Let's check the air filter. Oh, man, I think something's living in here. And the oil filter? I've seen cleaner things in a swamp.
Check out this belt. One good sneeze and it'll snap in half. And these hoses? I've seen drier riverbeds. All right, let's see these brakes. Oh, that's metal on metal. No wonder it sounded like a banshee pulling in.
All right, time for some real TLC. Fresh oil, new filters, belts, hoses, brakes, you name it. This car's getting the spa treatment today. Listen to that, smooth as butter. This car's got a new lease on life. Remember, folks, a little TLC goes a long way.